President Barack Obama, call the scientists. Open up Area 51 to the scientists of the world, because you, America, are the leader that Allah God has raised and made you powerful that he might make himself known through you. And if America calls the scientists of the earth to such place, they will respond. What would be the reason for the call? To show them a sign of the presence of God, to right the wrongs of the earth, and to heal it. If President Obama even attempts to do this, the shadow government will be in trouble, because they too will be forced to have to bow to this. The scientists all over the earth will know, especially through the clarity of our voice and what they see, that God is present, and that we whom they have destroyed would not have this knowledge if it did not come from the highest of sources. We believe our words that we have shared on the presence of the wheel could help the president and America to avert Allah's warning of chastisement and destruction if America does not bow down. I have been given authority to teach this, and you who have experienced the wheels are my witnesses. So come on out from your hiding places and stand up for the good of America, because you may expose a shadow government that can cause America to be destroyed. But if you stand up and tell the world unashamedly what you have seen, then maybe we can turn this negative into the positive that God intended for you when he holds back his power from you, his power to destroy you. He has purposely kept it back and is only gradually releasing some of the forces of nature to let you know that the inordinate weather that you are experiencing, it's because he's present, and he's trying to make you to see that you don't have any power to stop what he has the power to bring. In an article titled "New Advisor John Podesta, an Advocate for UFO Disclosure," posted on December the 11th, 2013 in the Huffington Post. It reads, quote, "For all of you who hope the United States government will lift the veil on its alleged stockpile of evidence that Earth is being visited by extraterrestrials, take heart. This week, former Clinton Chief of Staff and UFO advocate John Podesta was named as President Obama's newest advisor. Podesta, 64, has more than once publicly urged the United States government to release any UFO files that could help scientists determine the real nature of this phenomenon. President Obama, since you have John Podesta by your side, and you have the friendship of Bill and Hillary Clinton, who were taught of these UFOs by Laurance Rockefeller, since you have an army of those inside America and outside that have seen these things and will join with you if there's great opposition against you from the satanic mind.